Hello witches and welcome back to my channel. If you followed me on this channel for a little while, you know that every month I unbox the monthly magical subscription, Witch Casket. And while some subscription boxes offer you the option to go back and buy previous month boxes, Witch Casket does not offer this. However, they do offer something I actually think is a little bit better. You can go through and purchase individual items from previous subscription boxes. Now, I only just started subscribing to the box in February, but if you're like me, you kind of stalk a subscription box for a little while. You go through, you watch a few videos, you see what they get for the next few months, just kind of seeing like, is it worth it? Should I buy this box? I don't know. And then there's always that one box that you see that it's like, oh man, I should have gone ahead and subscribed. I really want what they just got. Well, Witch Casket, once you subscribe, allows you to go back. They have their online shop and you can purchase items from previous boxes. So in this video, that's what I've done. I've gone online, I purchased items that they had in previous boxes, and we're just gonna check out my haul. Now, some of these items have been sitting here, well, all of these items have been sitting here for a while, let's be honest. Because when I first subscribed back in February, I got my little email and said, hey, new items in the shop, here's your password, go have at it, essentially. And when I went online, I was like, oh, there's all these items, they're 50% off, that's great. So I made my order, I purchased it, got my items, and then the next month I realized, oh crap, there were more tabs. I just thought there was the one tab that it took me to when I clicked on the link from the email. I didn't realize there were more tabs. There were so many more goodies. So that's what I did. So I got the original, you know, my little 50% off, my few little goodies that we'll jump into here shortly. And then I went back and I purchased a lot more. Usually Witch Casket takes about a week and a day to get here. It ships all the way from UK. I'm in the US, so it does take a little bit of time. However, when I ordered these items, it was a full 3 weeks for me to get it. But when I got it, well, I'm going to hope that she's okay. She's got a hole here. She's busted open here on the side. She got a little smooshed. I don't remember what I ordered, but I'm fairly certain there were some glass items in here, so I really hope everything was really well packaged in here because I'm worried. I'm very worried. And I also cannot express to you the love of the irony that there are literally fragile stickers all over this box. All over this box that's literally now torn apart and stabbed. I don't know where she was for those 3 weeks. We're just gonna go ahead and dig into it and see how it goes. First up, I wanna do my little small Witch Casket box. These were the items that I first went in. These were the 50% off items, and I was just like, oh, this is so amazing. This is so awesome. I can go back and purchase specific items that I wanted because these were one of the items that I had seen somebody unbox in a previous box, and I was like, oh, I want those dice so badly. Here we have the Witch Casket Divination Dice and Cards. Here it tells you a little bit about how to interpret the numbers on the die. Just a little bit of information there, but really, I love the dice. I love the little skulls that are in here. And I love how, like, just imperfect they are. They kind of remind me of Oogie Boogie dice. I know Oogie Boogie has red die, and the whole thing is a skull, but I don't know, it's just creepy. It's got Oogie Boogie vibes to me, so I'm here for it. And the next couple of items that I ordered, I saw this one in a previous box, and I love it. I love the little... It kind of reminds me of Maleficent, so it's got the purple and the green, so I absolutely love that. It's just a phase. I love this one because, honestly, growing up, who didn't hear, oh, it's just a phase, she'll grow out of it. But did she though? So yeah, I thought it's just a phase, doesn't want to stay upright. There we go. I thought the fact that it's a moon phase, it's just phase, I thought it was perfect for me. And I love pins. I don't know if you can see. I mean, you can sort of see a little bit. I have a little pin board back there that I'm starting, so these are definitely going to look fantastic. So I ordered this box back February 27th, and I just ordered the dice and the 2 pins. Those were the only things I ordered. But then when I got the box, I got way more. I ended up getting this Witch Casket sticker, and I got this stone, a small onyx. I got this Mindful Morgana loose leaf tea, and I got little lapis bracelet. And then I got this guy, which is a sleep and meditation mist kit. Put the amethyst stones and the lavender in this little guy here, and you can make a little nighttime mist. But I tell you this because we got the mist kit, the bracelet, the tea, the stone, and the Witch Casket sticker, all of which I did not order. I really got confused. I thought there was a mistake somewhere and I got part of somebody else's order or something. However, no. If you go online, it'll tell you when they ship their items, whatever the cost of shipping is, they will send you free gifts to offset that cost. When I'm doing the editing, I will go through and I'll find out how much all of these items are, and then I'll pop that up here on the screen. I'll also pop up how much I paid for shipping, because I don't remember at this point, it was way too long ago. But honestly, I mean, it has to be well over what I paid in shipping. Aw, okay, so in the box, there's also this special little note, always believe you can, packed with love, Alex. Angela, I'm sorry, I was reading that backwards. Packed with love, Angela. So that is super cute. So to me, this is kind of like a spooky little Christmas box. It's kind of like a little mystery box for me because I know it's things that I'm going to love, but I cannot remember for the life of me what all I ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this box. Okay, so on the very top, we have another note. This one does not say who packaged it, but it just says, "You are already enough, packed with love." Okay, truly, I love that. I think that's just so sweet. And for those of you who don't know, Witch Casket is run, I believe, by a mom and daughter, which is why they kind of have to cap out their subscription box. I'm sorry, there was a gnat. I saw it flying in front of the lens. Sorry, I got distracted by the gnat, which is why they have to cap out each month, because it's a very small time. It is not a big thing. There's not like so many people. Obviously, if they're writing little hand notes to people, it's not like a giant thing. Okay, so I actually ordered this one back in March. Looks like March 19th is when I ordered it. So 3 weeks from March 19th. So towards the end of April. What is it? It's like the middle of May now. It's been a while. So almost 2 months ago I ordered this box. So I'm excited to dive in and see what kind of goodies I got myself. On top I see these little guys, 2 of these little guys. Now I got these in previous subscription boxes, but I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I know I did not order these. These must be part of the free gifts, so we'll set those over to the side. We got another Witch Casket sticker. Now that one I did not order. I did, however, order this one. Little Casket Cruise sticker. See, I do like stickers. In a previous video, in a video not too terribly long ago, actually, it was actually my most recent Witches Duel. We got some stickers, and I was like, I don't hate stickers. I actually really don't hate stickers. I actually will purposefully order stickers because I like stickers. I like to put them around like vanity mirrors and things like that. This is little Hocus Pocus. I thought it was so cute with the little bat and the little skull there. Oh my god, okay. I know I ordered tea. Where's my other bag? Hang on. So normally when we get teas, they come in a bag like this size, right? So when I ordered the tea online, because I don't drink tea, but others in the household, they drink tea. So I wanted to order them a few bags. I had no idea that this is how big the tea bags are. That's huge! That is huge. Were these in boxes? Or is it they just send you a little sample of tea and then on the shop you can order a huge bag? Just the size of these teas, holy crap. But we have cherry loose leaf tea and we have mint green tea. We have 2 of the mint green teas. I don't really like mint. I might be willing to give the cherry a try, but again, the tea is not for me. So, what else did I get? We can try to get this whole thing in here. We have Witch's Sanctuary. It's just a little nylon banner, but I thought it was cute. I like the little splash of purple that we got there. Next item. This was another one of those that I saw and I was like, oh man, I really want that. So I like little travel cups. This one just says Witch Casket. But on the other side, what's your poison? Okay, so we're starting to get down to things that are wrapped like this. I appreciate that. Especially given the fact that these 2 items, I got 2 of the same. I'm pretty sure I remember what these guys are now. But these were the ones that were on the side that was like ripped open. So they don't feel broken. I love these. I love this little guy down here at the bottom. And I also love just the nod to Nightmare Before Christmas. Check out the little fence guy up here at the top. It's like very Nightmare Before Christmas. It's Frog's Breath. I think it would be awesome if they also came out with a Deadly Nightshade. Please come out with a Deadly Nightshade one. Oh my god, I would love it. Absolutely love it. Hang on. I have a thing for Deadly Nightshade. For those of you who don't know, which is probably most of you, I actually play a dark fairy. And my fairy's name is Nightshade. So I have a very deep-rooted love in my heart for everything affiliated with Nightshade. Back to the haul though. I got 2 of those, and they both survived the trip. Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They survived the trip all the way from the UK, and yet I'm probably going to break it within 10 minutes of me opening them up. Nice. I don't know if this is something I ordered. Or is this? Oh, these are my pins. Okay, so we have Resting Witch Face. We have the cards. And then we have Casket Crew. All right, next up. Oh, okay. We have, and I also ordered 2 of these little guys. I'll go ahead and grab the other one because I see him sitting there on top. They're little altar candle holders. Yes, and highly mature. But yeah, so I saw these little guys. I kept seeing these and all their little Instagram posts holding their little ritual candles. What is this? Oh, okay. Yes, this is my little altar protection display. So trying to figure out how to untie a black scrunchy thing on a black bag with black ribbon tied around it. Ha ha ha. Maybe. Trying to undo a black knot. Okay, I can get into it now there. I'll just leave her dangling. That's fine. Maybe. Oh my god, you're going to be just tight enough to where I can't. Oh, yay! Okay, sorry. Here we go. Here's our little stand. And then place this on your table there, in your little space. And then on the back it says, or the front, whichever way you want to have it facing, sacred space, pure and clear. Only good may enter here. I drive away negativity. As I will it, so mote it be. So yeah, I just thought this was a great little positive message. I mean, you always see those little motivational signs that people have sitting on their desk, so why not? This little positive bit of energy there. Oh yeah, I forgot about this little guy. So this is my little baby fluorite. I love these stones. I love the pink and the green. Pink. Why? Okay, it had to be because it came in a pink baggie, because absolutely do I not love pink. Purple and green. Very Maleficent colors. If you haven't noticed a trend, I like Maleficent. Put my purple and green stone back in its little pink baggie. This one must be another one of our free gifts. Looks actually a lot like the other one that we got. There's so much stuff on this desk right now. Ha! So it's like the little mama version to the baby. And now we have these two little guys. We have another bracelet. This was our other bracelet that we had. It looks like I have one more item here wrapped up. What did I order and I forgot about? I don't know. What's this guy? Aha! So this is just a skull potion bottle. There he is. He is glass. Very, I mean, that's a thick glass too. And then he has a little dropper. Can I unscrew it? What's happening? You can see me unscrewing here. What? Why? What are you doing? Do you just pull off? You don't just pull off, right? What are you doing? I don't know. I mean, okay. But truthfully, I ordered this one because I just thought he looked cool. I'm probably not really going to use him for anything that I can really think of. I do wear some essential oils, but they're usually like in a little roller ball. I feel like, I don't know how long the dropper is, I can't get to it, but I feel like if I put the little essential oils in there, if the dropper's not long enough, I feel like it would be a waste, because they would just kind of sit down there and the dropper wouldn't be able to get to them. I don't know why I can't get that open. But like I said, most likely I was probably just going to set him on the shelf, and now I feel like he's kind of determined for himself. He's just going to sit there on a shelf. We'll have him skull on a shelf. Sorry, I got nothing witty there. There's no elf on a shelf kind of pun-tastic reference there. So, I'll just be a little skull. It'll look cool. But yeah, so with that, guys, that is the end of this haul. I had fun unboxing this. Like I said, it was like a little mini witchy Christmas for me because I couldn't remember what in the world I bought myself. But I'm very happy with all the items that I got. What about you guys? Are you guys subscribed to Witch Casket? What are some of your favorite items? What are some of your favorite items from the haul? What are items that like, oh yeah, I would definitely go back and order that? Or, you know, like the candle holders. Like, oh, I got one, but yeah, definitely two would make more sense. So let me go ahead and get that. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions about Witch Casket, about this haul. Let me know if there are any subscription boxes that you guys are interested in that you would like to see me unbox. I'm always open to new opinions, suggestions for new boxes. I'm always scouring the interwebs to see what's out there. I do have a new box coming. Just signed up for it. It is a 1 month behind kind of deal, so I signed up for it this month. I will get it next month. But from what I've seen, it looks good. I think you guys are gonna like it. I really think you guys are gonna like it. I think I'm gonna like it. So with that, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know what you gotta do. Go ahead, get that thumbs up going. Let me know that you liked it. It does mean so much to me, and I do appreciate it so very much. And if you're not already, but you'd like to be, you're already there, so hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. I do post new videos every week. Sometimes they're unboxing, sometimes they're a little quirky and weird video. You never know what you're gonna get on this channel. So subscribe and ring that bell and see what pops up in that notification bar. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.